The mystery of Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. Goddess Lakshmi loves Lord Vishnu so much that ever Lord Vishnu has incarnated at earth, Goddess Lakshmi also incarnated with him as his wife. In Puranas it is described that Goddess Lakshmi will be happy only when Lord Vishnu is worshipped with her. To seek blessings from Goddess Lakshmi, it's important to worship Lord Vishnu. But have you ever wondered why, on this special day of Deepavali, the festival of lights, is a time of joy, family, worship Goddess Lakshmi alongside Lord Ganesha instead of Lord Vishnu? Let's unlock the mystery behind this sacred tradition. According to the scriptures, once Goddess Lakshmi grew very arrogant about her wealth and powers. While having a conversation with her husband, Lord Vishnu, she kept praising herself that she is the only one worthy of worship. She is the one who bestows everyone with money and wealth. On hearing the non-stop self-praise, Lord Vishnu decided to get rid of her arrogance. Very calmly, Lord Vishnu said that in spite of having all the qualities, a woman remains incomplete if she does not bear children. Motherhood is the ultimate joy that a woman can experience, and since Lakshmi did not have children, she could not be deemed complete. On hearing this, Goddess Lakshmi was extremely disappointed. With a heavy heart, Goddess Lakshmi went to Goddess Parvati to seek help. Since Parvati had two sons, Ganesha and Kartikeya, she requested the goddess to let her adopt one of her sons to experience the joy of motherhood. Parvati was reluctant to let Lakshmi adopt her son because it was known that Lakshmi does not stay in one place for long. As she didn't had a fixed place, so she would not be able to take care of her son. But Lakshmi assured her that she would take care of her son in every possible way and bestow him with all the happiness. Understanding Lakshmi's pain, Goddess Parvati sent Lord Ganesha with her. Goddess Lakshmi became extremely elated and said that she will bestow Ganesha with all her accomplishments and prosperity. Those who worship Lakshmi for wealth would first have to worship Ganesha to seek her blessings. Those who will worship Lakshmi without Ganesha will not be blessed by the goddess Lakshmi. Hence, Lakshmi is always worshipped along with Ganesha on Deepavali. Gaining wealth without intellect will only result in missing the wealth. In simple, the wealth without wisdom is like having chocolate without teeth. So, one must first acquire the intelligence to spend the wealth in the right manner. Therefore, Lakshmi and Ganesha are worshipped together. Now you know the untold secret of Deepavali, the story that has been passed down through generations. Since no celebration is deemed complete without invoking Lord Ganesha, Ganesha is considered as the remover of all obstacles. Hence, he is worshipped first to get rid of all the obstacles that hinder our growth. Along with that, Goddess Mahalakshmi is worshipped in the most crucial part of Deepavali. It is said that on the night of Deepavali, Goddess Lakshmi visits each house and blesses everyone with great wealth. May this Diwali bring you the blessings of both wealth and wisdom. Hope you enjoyed our content. Then please subscribe and hit the like button and ring the bell to stay updated on our interesting videos.